Welcome back to Mr. Thought. Today, we're continuing our alphabetical journey to better health with the letter D. And for D, we're diving into the delightful and nutritious world of dates. Dates are a sweet and versatile fruit that offer numerous health benefits. Here are some amazing reasons to include dates in your diet. Rich in nutrients, dates are packed with essential nutrients, including fiber, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. These nutrients help maintain overall health and well-being. Energy boost. Dates are an excellent source of natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, providing a quick and sustained energy boost. This makes them an ideal snack for an instant pick-me-up. Digestive health. High in dietary fiber, dates aid in digestion and help prevent constipation. Fiber also supports a healthy gut microbiome. Heart health. The potassium and magnesium in dates help regulate blood pressure and support heart health. These minerals are essential for maintaining healthy cardiovascular function. Bone health. Dates contain several minerals, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which contribute to strong and healthy bones. Natural sweetener. Dates are a great alternative to refined sugar. They add natural sweetness to recipes without the negative effects of processed sugars. How to enjoy dates. As a snack, enjoy dates on their own for a sweet and nutritious snack. In smoothies, blend dates into your smoothies for natural sweetness and added nutrients. In baking, use chopped dates in baking recipes like energy bars, muffins, or cakes. Stuffed. Try stuffing dates with nuts or cheese for a delicious appetizer. In salads, add chopped dates to salads for a sweet and chewy texture. That's it for today's episode. Tomorrow, we'll explore another fantastic health tip starting with the letter E. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Thought for more daily health tips and motivation. See you next time.